Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make word for word or one word subtitles in CapCut. So if you want your videos to pop with subtitles like the pros, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can create word for word or one word subtitles in CapCut on desktop. So what you need to do is just open CapCut and import your projects to the timeline like this. And next you can just add two captions, and here I'm going to just use the auto captions from CapCut. Choose the spoken language and then tap on generate. Just wait until the captions appear on your video. Okay, so now this is the captions, but as you guys can see, it's not word for word. So I'm going to change the style by clicking on the captions, and here I'm going to go to the templates, and here you can see there are lots of one word captions template that you can use. You can go with this one, this white black and white basic, or with this one. Okay, I think I'm going to just use this one right here. Download the template first, and you can just click on it to make it apply to your captions. Now this is the result. So guys, that's pretty easy. So it's perfect for TikToks, Reel, or YouTube Shorts, or any type of video content. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks for more CapCut tricks and video editing hacks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!